Oh, honey, 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 honey. Ah! Mother shitter brick. Oh, right on the shin. Silly. This is silly. This is an ankle breaker. Why did I come this way? Right. Oh, oh God, stay this cowboy. I keep in and out of it now. Right, get loaded up and go back again. Look at that. Hi, honey. Right, let me just get started up and I'll get back to you. Right, what am I up to then? Well, Massey, low loader, myself, going to pick a digger up, going to take it down to a pile of concrete. Then I've got to load myself up with about 12 load of concrete and cart back to where I've now got to go build the dam slightly wider on the horse cooling pond project. So yeah, busy. This morning I've been over at the farm building site, which, to be fair, it's coming along quite well. The steel is up for the building. I just went there and grouted up all underneath the staunching pads. I haven't got any footage of that really. Only that I had my boy with me this morning. Once that's done, which I've done, then come back here, load, buy up, take it down to the concrete place, load up 12 load there, and take to the horse cooling pond. So yeah, let me just get loaded up and see you all shortly. Bye bye. Right, I'll just strap this down and get back to you when we get to the other end. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. I'll tell you what, from in the tractor, that is a sexy behind. Whoop whoop. Yeah. Right, we'll get this to the next place and I'll see you all there. that's the first trailer load loaded up. That was lucky. I think I hit you with one little bit of concrete. Right, we'll get this to where it's got to be and tip it off and then come back. Tip that off and come back and tip that off. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. What the hell? You'll see me nearly fall over and all sorts. Right, get to the other end. Right, yeah, so I load this up. This is all the stuff that we took out of the lake, where we dammed off all the concrete and everything else. That's going to be used in the Coolham, the horse Coolham pond, because the walkway isn't quite wide enough. So if they want to walk beside the horse nut, they can't. So we've just got to bulk it up, so we'll use this stuff to widen it and bulk up, and then it's going to be dressed off with, I don't know, rubber or sand, a type 1, and then rubber and sand on top. So we're just bulking it up for now, just to bring it up, so I think it's 2.5 metres deep. And I just want to put a little bit more in to widen it. So that's what we're going to do with this stuff, because this stuff does go down fairly well. Yeah, I've been busy today. I weren't supposed to be here today. I had another job. On the previous videos I showed it, I was over at our job that we're putting that building up, the workshop. The company that we got the steel work from, they've gone bust. But luckily the shed was sat on site, so it's still being put up. It's just a little bit slow going and sorted. I went over there today to steel frames up. Me and the boy went over there. We just had to grout in the bottom of the stanchions to the steel work. So that's all done. We've got Bricky coming in starting next week. Starting next week, he's coming in and he's gonna brick up. Because once it's bricked up, then we can clad up. Once we clad it up, we can dig the inspection pit in. So we've got a big metal cast inspection pit we've got to put in. It's already got the lights, the air in it, everything else. So just dig a hole, put that in, concrete round. Then I've got to start scraping off, ready to put the concrete inside and outside on the yard. So we're busy, very busy. We've still got work coming in, never turn work away. I've got to go price up, well, I honestly don't even know how big the pond is. I'm not sure if they've got a pond there or they want me to dig on the pond. Clients just bought a house. The way he's talking, the pond's there, but he wants it bigger. And they cleared out. So I've got to go price that up tomorrow night. Might take you there with me, might not, I don't know. I don't want to give all the secrets of the trade away of how I price work up. We don't just do price, we also do hourly rate. have the climb for furs. Right, I'm going to squeeze another one on there. Let's try this thing. Get rid of that bit of the broken shin. Jeez. I've got to have Keith out again. I love this tilting hitch. I wouldn't be without this tilting hitch now, right? Because like doing ponds and ditching, well I say ditching, that's what drove me around the bloody bend yesterday. I'm doing a load of ditching and when you're going down you just wanna, when you're ditching, I should have videoed it but I didn't. You wanna slide down the ditch like that, curl it around and lift up like that, right? Absolutely fine. It's when I'm going to go down like that, if there's something in the way, I don't know if I can do it, I'll grab that bit of concrete and I'll show you. Keith have already been out once to sort this out and I said, oh yeah, that's sorted, we won't do it again. I promise you, you won't need to touch this now. That's sorted. I don't know if you can see down there or not. Let me just push it out a bit further. Might need another bit to show the extent. Yeah, that will do. So if I lay this bit on top, and before anybody says anything, I'm not rough with the tilting hitch, I really am. I've seen boys absolutely pull hard and ridiculous stuff with tilting hitch, and I'm not like that. But this is my argument, right? Say the ditch just wants a little bit out of the bottom, an inch off the bottom, because this side, perfect, this side is a little bit high, that middle's high, but this side's perfect. I just want a little bit out of that hump, right? So when I come to match up this side, ditch and bucket's even worse, don't even know if it'll do this, but I'll go down like that. Can you see that? The whole bucket twist. See? If we get it in close and just shake side to side, I don't know if it'll do it yet. It should do it. Can you see how much that bucket is moving? Yes, I am moving up the top there on the quick hitch. That's only side to side, like that. It's not like that. So much play in it. Ready? So you can't get the bottom of the ditch where you want it. It is better than it was, but it's got worse, if that makes sense. I know that sounds stupid. It was better than it was and it's got stupid. But when Keith came out, they did sort it and he said you won't have to touch it again, that's all timed up now, that's perfect. Afraid not, let's go on again, let's go. And it's not to do with oil pressures or anything, that's actually something, I think something's loose inside. Look at that. So hopefully Dad was ringing them up today. We should say, right, we'll get this back, get it tipped off, and come back for another one. And then get that one tipped off and come back for another one. Get that one tipped off and I might even come back for another one. Make sure nothing falls off on the road, because that's the last thing I bloody want. Something come off and hit somebody while I'm driving. Right, beautiful. Right. Trying to find a restroom out here. Can't find a restroom. Oh, there's one. Found one. Right, just go use the restroom and be back in a minute. Restroom complete. Need to get on to someone about that in the old restroom. It ain't very clean in there. That'll do. That'll do. Right, we'll get back and get unloaded. Right, so Kat, as you can see from that video you've just sat there and watched, that is what I've got to do. I've literally today, maybe half of tomorrow, just literally cart my own stuff. Yeah, so go to the digger, load up, back in the tractor, run it to where it's got to be, tip it off, run back to the digger, load up again, run back here. Self-explanatory really. I think there's 12 load, that was just 2 there, so I need about 12. Yeah, so I'm not going to keep boring your end much longer, but that is it really. I'd just like to say thank you to everybody who has subscribed, liked and shared. Really do appreciate it. It goes a hell of a long way for me. And like I say, it doesn't cost anything to subscribe, so please, please, just press that button. Right, let's see if we get a Suffolk wave. Oh, look at that. Letting me through. Thank you, my man. Oh, no Suffolk wave off the van, but it was nice of the person in the car to let me through, wasn't it? I must admit, there's one thing about around there, everybody lets the tractors through. It's good. But right, on that note, I'm going to love and leave you, and catch you on the next one. Don't forget, like, share, subscribe. Please push some videos out there. Really do appreciate it. Just get my videos out there. But thank you, and see you all on the next one. Take care.